contact, scowling, frowning, nodding, listening, relaxation, impatience, confusion, boredom, calm, comfortable, relief, content, satisfied, uncertain, determined, insecure, curious, interested, amused, bored, worried, anxious, nervous, happy, joyful, celebratory, lonely, hurtful, sad, excited, energetic, carefree, playful, confident, order of operations, habitats, terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, aerial habitat, local artistic processes, Benguet dance, theater, visual arts, local artistic symbols, kanyaw, manipulative skills, agility, balance, coordination, speed, invasion games, dribbling, kicking, serving, throwing, catching, volleying, locomotor skills, movement, walking rapidly, marathon, yoga, aerobics, distance running, flipping, walking, hopping, jumping, running, basketball, gardening.